In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Now just click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service, and then okay, that was weird, never mind. And then click on Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, hit this gear at the top. Make sure that this switcher next to Offer to Save Passwords is blue. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one you need from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now you can you can input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!